Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Daemon X Machina Titanic Scion not launching, crashing, freezing, stuck on loading screen, black screen on PC. So here follow the fixes. The first fix is to modify the game launch option. You can try it -DX11, -DX12 or -D3, D11. So open Steam. Go to library, right click on Daemon X Machina Titanic Scion game, then select properties. Now in the launch option type -DX11, close the tab. Now launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then again go to properties, this time type -DX12 and then launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then again go to properties, this time type -D3, D11, close the tab, launch the game and check. This has fixed the issue for many players, so I hope this will work for you as well. If still your problem is not fixed, then again go to properties, remove the command and follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Second solution is to run the game as an administrator from the game installation folder or try running the game in compatibility mode. So to do so, open Steam, right click on Daemon Machina game, then click on manage, browse local files. It will take you to the game installation folder. Now open game folder, now open binaries folder, now open Win64 folder. Now right click on game -Win64 shipping exe file, select properties, go to compatibility tab, tick mark run this program as an administrator, hit apply, OK, and then launch the game from the game installation folder from here itself and check. If that doesn't work, then tick mark run this program as in compatibility mode for Windows 8, hit apply, OK, then launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then select Windows 7, hit apply, OK, then launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then tick mark disable full screen optimization option as well, hit apply, OK, and then launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then go back. Now do the same thing for this game exe file. Run this as an administrator, disable full screen optimization and compatibility mode, and then check. And if still your problem is not fixed, then when you check mark all these three boxes and still your problem is not solved, then remove these boxes from the compatibility tab, hit apply, OK, and follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Third solution is to perform a clean installation of graphic card driver. To do so, if you are an NVIDIA user, then you can go to NVIDIA website. If you are AMD user, then you can go to AMD website. So I am showing the example of NVIDIA graphic card driver. So go to this website and you have to do the manual driver search. You have to select the version of your graphic card driver, select the Windows operating system, then click on find. Then whatever is the latest driver version, you have to download and install it. So click on view, then click on download. And once this exe file get downloaded, you have to run the downloaded exe file and select yes to allow and then click OK. You will see this screen. Click on agree and continue. Then select the custom advanced option and then click on next. So you have to select this and then click on next. Then tick mark perform a clean installation box. So check mark this perform a clean installation box and then click on next. And after the clean installation of graphic card driver is done, restart your PC and then you can launch the game and check. Fourth solution is to install Visual C++ files. To do so, go to this official Microsoft website. Link is given in video description. And when you are on this website, scroll down, download both x86 and x64 version. And when these two files get downloaded, you have to run this exe file one by one. And if you see repair option, then repair it. If you see install option, then install it. And after installing both the files, you can launch the game and check. Fifth solution is to install DirectX end user runtime web installer. To do so, again go to this Microsoft official website, then click on download, run this exe file and install it, and then you can launch the game and check. Sixth solution is to, if you are a Windows security user, you have to allow the game exe file to the control folder access and firewall. So what you have to do, you have to type Windows security in Windows search and open it. Then click on virus and threat protection. Scroll down, click on manage ransomware protection. Click on allow an app through control folder access. Click yes to allow. Click on add an allowed app. Click on browse all apps. Now go to game installation folder, go to this PC, C drive, program x86 folder, Steam folder, Steam app folder, common folder, Daemon X Machina, Titanic Scion folder. Select this game exe file and click open to add it. Again click on add an allowed app, browse all app. Open the game folder, open binaries folder, open Win64 folder, select game Win64 shipping exe file, click open. Now go back. Click on firewall and network protection. Click on allow an app through firewall. Click on change setting. Click on allow another app. Click on browse. Now browse to game installation folder. Select this game exe file. Click open to add it to the list. Click on add. In my case it is already added. Then again click on browse. Open game folder, open binaries folder, open Win64 folder, select game Win64 shipping exe file, click open, click on add. Now make sure both private and public is tick marked, then click on OK to save changes. Now you can launch the game and check. Now if you are using any third-party antivirus like Komodo, Avast, Kaspersky, AVG, McAfee, Norton, Bitdefender, then allow the game exe to your antivirus program as well, and then you can launch the game and check. Now 7th solution is to run the game on dedicated graphic card. To do so, in Windows search type graphics settings and open it. Now click on add desktop app. Browse to game installation folder. Select game exe file, click on add, and after adding it, expand it, click on high performance, and again click on add desktop app. Open game folder, open binaries folder, open Win64 folder, select game Win64 shipping exe file, click on add, and after adding it, expand it and select high performance, and then you can launch the game and check. 8th solution is to verify the game files. To do so, open Steam, right click on Daemon X Machina Titanic Scion game, select properties, go to install files, click on verify integrity of game files, and after the verification of the files, you can launch the game and check. 9th solution is to update Windows. To do so, click on Windows icon, go to settings, on the left click on Windows update, then click on check for updates, and if there are any updates available, then you can download and install them, and then you can restart your PC, and then you can launch the game and check. Last solution is to uninstall and reinstall the game. So uninstall the Daemon X Machina Titanic Scion game, delete the game folder related to Daemon X Machina Titanic Scion game, restart your PC, and then reinstall the game to C drive, and it is recommended SSD drive. If already installed in C drive, then try installing it to another SSD drive, and then you can launch the game and check. So by this way you can fix the Daemon X Machina Titanic Scion not launching, crashing to desktop, crashes at startup, freezing, stuck on loading screen, not loading, or black screen issue on PC. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and share this video, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel to get the latest updates. Thank you.